If you're considering purchasing an electric vehicle or are a new owner, there are many things I wish I had known before making my first purchase. While I absolutely love my car, these insights could have made my experience even smoother and might influence your decision as well. Before starting, I want to thank this video's sponsor, TeslaNeckPillows.com, which I'll tell you more about later. For now, let's get started. One of the most significant advantages of owning an electric vehicle is the reduced maintenance. Unlike traditional gas-powered cars, electric vehicles have fewer moving parts, which means fewer things can go wrong. Over the past year, my maintenance routine has been incredibly simple, rotating the tires twice and topping up the windshield washer fluid. That's it. There's no engine oil to change, no spark plugs to replace, and no exhaust system to maintain. Even the brakes last longer thanks to regenerative braking, which reduces wear and tear. While you'll still need to replace tires and windshield wipers periodically, the overall maintenance costs are significantly lower. Check out my video on Tesla maintenance here. Pro tip: keep an eye on your tire pressure. Properly inflated tires not only improve efficiency, but also extend the life of your tires. One of the biggest concerns for new electric vehicle owners is charging. Many people assume they need to install an expensive home charging station right away, but that's not necessarily the case. A standard 120-volt household outlet can charge your vehicle overnight, providing enough range for most daily commutes. While it's slower, typically adding about 4 to 5 miles of range per hour, it's a great starting point. If you have access to a 240-volt outlet, like the ones used for dryers or ovens, you can charge much faster, adding around 25 to 30 miles of range per hour. This is often referred to as level 2 charging. For those who drive long distances daily or want the fastest charging option, installing a dedicated home charger is worth considering. However, starting with the standard outlet is a practical and cost-effective solution for many. You can check out my video on Tesla chargers here. Pro tip: if you're renting or unsure about your living situation, a portable level 1 charger can be a lifesaver. It's lightweight, easy to use, and doesn't require any special installation. The cost of electric vehicles can vary significantly over time. Manufacturers often adjust prices based on demand, production costs, and market conditions. When I first purchased my car, the price increased by a few $1,000s shortly after. However, a year later, the price dropped significantly due to new incentives and discounts. This fluctuation can be frustrating, but it's important to remember that technology evolves quickly and prices will continue to change. If you're waiting for the perfect price or the latest model, you might be waiting forever. Instead, focus on whether the car meets your needs and fits your budget at the time of purchase. Pro tip: keep an eye on manufacturer websites and local dealerships for promotions, especially during holiday seasons or end-of-quarter sales. One of the most talked about features of electric vehicles is their advanced driver assistance systems. However, there's often confusion between autopilot and full self-driving, FSD. Autopilot, which comes standard, is designed for highway driving. It can keep your car in its lane, maintain a safe distance from other vehicles, and adjust speed based on traffic conditions. Full self-driving, on the other hand, is a paid upgrade that offers more advanced features. It can navigate city streets, stop at traffic lights, and even make turns. While FSD is impressive, it's important to note that it's not fully autonomous yet. You still need to keep your hands on the wheel and remain attentive at all times. Pro tip: if you're unsure about FSD, you can always add it later. Start with autopilot and upgrade if you feel the need. One of the biggest myths about electric vehicles is that they're not suitable for long trips. In reality, road trips are incredibly easy and enjoyable. When you enter your destination into the navigation system, the car will automatically plan your route, including charging stops. It will tell you how long you need to charge at each stop and how much range you will have when you arrive at your destination. Superchargers are conveniently located along major highways, and they're incredibly easy to use. Simply plug in and the car will handle the rest. Plus, with autopilot handling the bulk of the driving, you'll arrive at your destination feeling refreshed rather than exhausted. You can get a feel for what it's like on a Tesla road trip by watching my road trip video here. Pro tip: if you're planning a long trip, try to charge up to 80% at each stop. Charging speeds slow down significantly after 80%, so it's more efficient to make shorter, more frequent stops. While superchargers are the fastest and most convenient option, not all chargers are created equal. There are 3 main types of chargers: Level 1, standard household outlet; Level 2, 240-volt outlet or home charger; and DC fast chargers, superchargers. Level 1 is the slowest, while level 2 is significantly faster. DC fast chargers are the quickest, with speeds ranging from 150 kilowatts to 250 kilowatts. When using public chargers, it's important to check the charging speed and compatibility. Some chargers may require an adapter, so it's a good idea to keep one in your car just in case. For more in-depth information on Tesla superchargers, you can check out my video here. Regenerative braking is one of the most innovative features of electric vehicles. When you lift your foot off the accelerator, the car slows down and converts that kinetic energy back into electricity, which is stored in the battery. This not only improves efficiency, but also reduces wear and tear on the brakes. It takes some time to get used to, but once you do, you'll find yourself rarely needing to use the brake pedal. One-pedal driving is not only convenient, but also makes driving in stop-and-go traffic much less stressful. Pro tip, if you're new to regenerative braking, start by driving in a low-traffic area to get a feel for it. You'll be a pro in no time. Sentry Mode is a security feature that uses the car's cameras to monitor its surroundings while parked. If someone gets too close to your car or tries to break in, Sentry Mode will record the incident and alert you through the app. It's a great way to deter theft and vandalism. While Sentry Mode does use some battery, you can customize when it's active. For example, you can turn it off at home or in secure parking areas to conserve energy. Pro tip, keep a USB drive in your car to store Sentry Mode footage. The car will automatically overwrite old footage when the drive is full, so you don't have to worry about running out of space. The mobile app is one of the most underrated features of electric vehicles. It allows you to control almost every aspect of your car from your phone. You can preheat or cool the cabin, check your charging status, locate your car, and even unlock it remotely. One of my favorite features is the ability to summon the car. If you're in a tight parking spot or have your hands full, you can use the app to move the car forward or backward without being inside. It's a small but incredibly convenient feature. I made a full walkthrough on the Tesla app. You can check it out here. Pro tip, set up notifications in the app to alert you when your car is fully charged or if there's an issue with charging. While electric vehicles come with plenty of features, there are a few accessories that can make your life even easier. A center console organizer is a must-have for keeping small items like pens, chargers, and sunglasses within reach. A screen protector can help prevent scratches and glare, while all-weather floor mats are great for protecting the interior from dirt and spills. Other useful accessories include a portable tire inflator, a sunshade for hot days, and a charging cable organizer. These small additions can make a big difference in your day-to-day experience. I have plenty of Tesla accessory videos on my channel, and links to great ones in this video's description. Check them out when you have a chance, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on updates on the latest Tesla accessories. If you spend hours behind the wheel, these pillows provide essential support for your head and shoulders, making long drives much more comfortable. They're my favorite accessory because they elevate your driving experience, seamlessly blending style, comfort, and health benefits. They're made for every Tesla model and come in 3 colors that perfectly match their interiors. Whether you're short or tall, you can adjust the firmness and the height of the pillow to provide consistent support for your neck, back, and shoulders. Don't just take my word for it, they have hundreds of 5-star reviews from Tesla owners just like you. The shipping is free and they come with a 14-day guarantee. But because you're watching my video, I can give you an additional 15% off. Just use my code MS15 at teslaneckpillows.com. Pro tip, look for third-party accessories that are compatible with your car. They're often more affordable than official options and work just as well. You can check out links in descriptions for must-have accessories. If you're not familiar with the metric system, you might find some of the car's metrics confusing. Efficiency is measured in kilowatt hours, kWh, per mile, and battery capacity is measured in kilowatt hours, kWh. While it might take some time to get used to, understanding these metrics can help you optimize your driving habits and get the most out of your car. Pro tip, use the car's energy consumption graph to track your efficiency over time. It's a great way to see how different driving habits affect your range. While it's tempting to take your car through an automatic car wash, it's not always the best idea. The brushes and chemicals used in some car washes can leave swirls and scratches on the paint. Hand washing or using a touchless car wash is a better option. If you want to protect your car's paint, consider getting a protective film or ceramic coating. These can help prevent scratches and keep your car looking new for years. Pro tip, wash your car regularly to remove dirt and debris that can damage the paint over time. You can check out this video on how to wash your Tesla the right way by checking out my Tesla car wash video right here. Your phone is your primary key, but the key card is essential for valet services or repairs. Keep it in a safe place. You'll thank yourself later. Consider getting a key fob if you prefer a physical key. It's more convenient than the key card and can be attached to your keychain. One of the best things about electric vehicles is its regular software updates. Unlike traditional cars, which stay the same until you trade them in, electric vehicles get better over time. Each update brings new features, improvements, and bug fixes, keeping your car feeling fresh and modern. Make sure your car is connected to Wi-Fi to download updates faster. You can also schedule updates for a time that's convenient for you. Here are some extra tips to help you get the most out of your electric vehicle. Tire pressure monitoring. Keep an eye on tire pressure as it can affect efficiency and range. The car will alert you if it's too low, but it's good to check regularly. Cabin overheat protection. This feature keeps the interior cool on hot days, which is great for protecting electronics and keeping the car comfortable. Energy usage tracking. The car provides detailed energy usage data, which can help you optimize your driving habits for better efficiency. Preconditioning. Use the app to precondition your car before driving. This heats or cools the cabin and battery, improving range and comfort. Charging etiquette. When using public chargers, be mindful of others. Don't leave your car parked at a charger after it's done charging. Insurance savings. Some insurance companies offer discounts for electric vehicles due to their safety features and lower maintenance costs. Shop around for the best rates. Community resources. Join online forums or local EV groups to connect with other owners, share tips, and learn about new features or updates. If you're a current owner and have additional tips, share them below. And if you're a new or future owner, I hope this list helps you feel more prepared. And if you're looking for some awesome accessories for your Tesla, I've got you covered. Check out the links in the description. You'll not only find some great deals, but also support the channel. And if you enjoyed this content, make sure to like this video and consider subscribing to the channel for more Tesla content like this video. Until next time, peace.